The CTY2 has arrived and it's looking beautiful.
Damn, that thing freaking whips.
How you doing, Bill? Good.
Feels good, looks good.
Perfect.
Fits exactly to your comfort.
Oh man, I am so excited. It's finally here, guys. Nice to see you again, Bill.
Likewise. Took a little bit longer today than we expected to get here. I'm sorry for the delay.
No worries, no worries. Yeah, I'm just taking a quick look.
So I'll let you observe it. I'll get you your bag.
The CTY2 has arrived. Delivered from Whitemarsh Revolutionary Cycles right to my doorstep. And it's looking beautiful.
And then here's your key fobs.
Beautiful.
Key rack.
There it is. So we are going to do our first test ride of my CTY2. Okay, right now we're on Eco. Yeah, the pedals are they're pretty high. Like my knees are high up. This is Eco mode right now. So I'm gonna go full throttle. And it tops out at about, looks like 16. Oh my god, this bike feels so nice. You guys have no idea. All right, I'm hitting the regen. I think it's working. Yeah, I'm not pushing it really hard on the brake lever, and that should activate the regen. All right, so we're just gonna go into normal and let's see what that tops out at. Okay, so it's hitting 20. When I push it, pull it, the left brake just a little bit, that's the regen. That's what's slowing me down.
That's why you won't find you'll wear your brake pads on either side down if you're using predominantly the regen.
The regen.
Always have like a finger here, because if they do that and you twist your throttle right now, twist it full. And if you do that, yeah, if you twist the fingers,
oh, it cuts it.
Cuts it off.
Oh, gotcha.
So it's very good for safety. It doesn't do it on the right, and it's very rare you'd be.
Okay, that's good. That's good to know. So even on normal mode, the torque feels pretty good, even though it tops out at 20. It feels good getting to 20, I should say. And then we're gonna go right into sport. I'm not gonna go full throttle right now, but holy cow. Holy cow. All right, here we go.
Benefit of having this is twofold. It gives you the alarm function, and it also removes any sort of mechanical feature here. So if you hit the unlock button, you're going to shut the bike off.
Okay. And that this has to be pressed on before I'm doing any of that?
Exactly.
Okay.
If this was off, the key fob wouldn't work.
Got it.
That's like your master switch.
Okay.
Kill switch. Now if you hit the lightning bolt 1 or 2 times, depending upon if it's completely asleep or idle, so hit it, let's hit it twice. There you go, so it's on.
Okay.
Now if you lock it, I should say unlock it, and then we'll lock it and test that.
Lock, and then...
Yep, and then what we do is we just push the lock button, right? So
yep.
Let's simulate.
Okay, nice.
So now to unlock it, you'll hit the unlock button. Yep.
Got it.
Perfect. So let's say you run into Starbucks, you don't want to run your kryptonite lock, you know, just to run it for a quick second. Just push that lock button and you'll be armed, and you'll definitely hear it. It'll be a commotion. This up for you earlier. If you take the battery off, this gets connected to the end, and it plugs directly into the XT90 connector on your battery.
This piece?
This piece goes into your charger. It's like an extension. Yep, so you're into the wall, power's off, going up into the port. Okay, once it's up and in, it goes in that angle, flips, and it's in and ready to charge. So
once it's like straight, so it comes in on an angle and then twist.
Twist, and it kind of snaps and locks into place. And so at this point, when it's all connected, flip the surge protector on, and your battery pack light will go green quickly, then red until it's charged, completely full. It will trickle charge after going green for a little while after.
Okay.
Battery cover?
Sure. Okay, so we're gonna go inside here.
So if you push that in, you'll notice if there's any play, yep, you should have a little bit of play. Yep.
Okay.
Perfect.
So then it goes, leave it in, take it out?
You can do either. There you
Up.
go. Up, and like, think about Austin Powers as he backs up, you go up to go down, there you go.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
If you take the bike into a place that doesn't have a, your charging port here, where you do onboard charging, you will take apart 2 connections, the XT90, the power harness.
Okay.
You'll disconnect those, you'll take them in, you'll add that adapter to your
the one that you showed me before. Yep.
And you'll use this as your port to plug into.
Okay.
You want the seam down here to be tight, so we'll put it in like that. Perfect. Now we'll let it slide down into a spot, and now you can use the key. Awesome.
Okay, cool. So I don't know what else I want to go over. I'm just excited to get on it. Thank you very much. This was a great experience.
It's going to be a fun ride.
Guys, if any of you are interested in an ONYX CTY2 or a ONYX RCR, or there's a couple other bikes, make sure to check out Whitemarsh Revolutionary Cycles. This is Bill right here, and he will set you up. This was definitely a great experience. I got the CTY2 delivered right to my doorstep. I was going to ask you, what is your delivery service area?
Like local area would be New York City, New York Metro, Philly.
So primarily tri-state area.
Tri-state, Rehoboth Beach, down to like DC, Virginia,
okay,
up to Boston. But
oh wow,
what we really care about is safety.
Yep.
The most important thing is that you rode this, you took receipt of it.
Yep.
We demonstrated everything works functionally, and you feel safe on the road.
Very happy, very excited, very excited to get riding. You too as well.
It really was, like, absolute pleasure.
So Bill from Whitemarsh Revolutionary Cycles just left. The bike was dropped off, and it's here. Just wanted to kind of go over the experience that I had. I was in the market for a ONYX. It wasn't necessarily an RCR or a CTY2. It was just an ONYX in general. And when I was researching, the CTY2 just really caught my eye. The step-through model really caught my eye. And then I was just reading into the specs, and I was just like, this really just fits all my needs. Checks all the check boxes off for everything that I've been looking for. The aesthetics, the power, everything. I'm sure down the line maybe I'll mod things here and there, but stock out of the box, this fits everything that I've been looking for. Of course, I'm gonna add a couple things. Like right now, I'm going to add in some mirrors. I ordered the rear rack, so that's coming in. I'll do an installation video on that. I set up a consultation or a test ride of the CTY2 and also an RCR shorty. But once I rode this bike, I didn't need to ride the RCR. I rode an ONYX RCR one time, and I felt the power. I felt how torquey it was. And then when I tried out this bike, I was like, man, this is torquey as well. I think this is all I really need. The bike spoke for itself. I test rode it, and I just instantly fell in love. You guys are gonna see a lot of videos coming out. The CTY2. It's gonna be a lot of riding content on this beast. All right, so thank you again, Bill. Thank you again, Whitemarsh Revolutionary Cycles. We'll see you on a future ride. All right, later guys, ride on.